In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a premium online banking website. As you can see, this is the home page of the website. As you can see, this website have investment, it have IRLs, it have crypto swapping and everything. So I will be taking you through this website. As you can see, this is the home page. Everything is futuristic. Okay, so this website have two logins. You can either log in with the admin or you log in with the user section. This is the contact page of the online banking, and this is the live chat section. So with no further ado, let's start. Okay, this is where the user log in to the bank, and this is where the manager or the owner of the bank. This is the user, and this is the owner of the bank login. So let's log in with the manager in the manager section. Input your manager email and password, then click on sign in. Okay, as you can see, we have total 0 users, 0. So all we need to do is create a new user for this online bank. So let's just put a random name, Henry, middle name John, last name Lucas, username Henry 2026. The eBay, you can just put Henry at Rich Boy Tech. Then put Henry at Rich Boy Tech. Then phone number. Then input the date of birth. Then address. Then you can select country. Then account type. So let's go for savings account. So you can see the account number, the IMFF, the SWIFT code, the PIN. Let's upload picture. So once you are done, input the password and click on open account for clients. You can see user registered successfully. So let's go to the dashboard. You can see we have 1 total users. So the next step, let's log in with those details we created. So you can see verification PIN. So let's go back to the admin dashboard and locate. This is how the mobile view. This is the mobile view of the website. You can see it is a responsive website. So let's go and get the PIN. Copy the 4-digit PIN, paste it. As you can see, the account is open. So we have the available balance, the BTC balance, the account info, send money, deposit, history, card. You can apply for card if you want. So you can see this is the mobile view. In case you are on mobile, this is the mobile view card. Okay, so let's go back. Let's take it back to computer view. So this is where a user can deposit Bitcoin. This is where a user can send money, and this is where a user can swap between Bitcoin and USDT. You can swap your money to BTC and vice versa. So this is the transaction, because we don't have any transaction in this bank. This is where you apply for card. You can apply for Visa card, MasterCard, or America Express. As you can see. So I'll be taking you through one by one on how all these options work. So local transfer, this is where you make local transfer, and this is where you make international transfer. There are various types of international transfer. You can make it wire transfer, cryptocurrency, paper, wire transfer, Cash App, more options, Skrill, Venmo, Zelle, Revolt, Alipay, WeChat Pay. So you can see this website has so many things. This is the deposit section. You can deposit with USDT, bank transfer, Bitcoin. You can also add more deposits. And this is the investment platform. So you can lock your money here and get your return on investment. As you can see, this looks like a proper bank. This is where you apply for loan. So this bank, you apply for a business loan, personal loan, automobile loan, joint mortgage, health finance, and everything. So I'll be taking you through this. So this is where you request for tax refund. You can input your ID.me, login information, select country, and the rest. So here is the loan history if you have taken a loan, and here is the settings. You can set your account number, your email, your date of birth, and your profile picture. So the last one is the support. This is where you can talk to the support in case you have any issue. You can submit a ticket. So let's go to the settings. So let's change the user setting, the user color. So you might want to change the color to fit your logo or to fit the type of bank you want. So let's change it to color red. Change the primary color to gold. Let's change it to gold. Let's change it. Okay. Change it to gold. Click on save settings. So let's go back to the user and check. Let's refresh the page. Voila, as you can see, we have red and gold. So you can decide to play with the colors. So let's change the gold back to red to make everything red. Change the primary color. Click on save settings. Refresh the user section, red. So you can see this is the mobile view, and this is the PC view, and this is the mobile view. This is how it look like on your mobile phone, and this is how it look like on your PC. So let's top up our account. So you can choose to deposit USDT, bank transfer, PayPal, or Bitcoin. So for this video tutorial, we'll be depositing with USDT. Let's add $2 million worth of USDT. Click on deposit. So you can see a section where you can scan the QR code or copy the USDT address. So after a user make the payment, you can submit proof, you can submit screenshots, then click on submit payment. So once you submit it, you can see funds. You can see it's pending. So let's go back to the admin and approve the transaction. You can see the transaction. So you can decide to approve or not. Let's approve it and see processed. Go back to the user. Let's refresh from pending to completed. So go back to our dashboard. You see the amount is now on our dashboard. So the next step, let's swap this coin to BTC. So let's swap $30,000 to give us 0.2. Let's just do one BTC. That is 108. Okay, let's do 109. So 109,000 will give us one Bitcoin. Process swap. You can see swap successfully. So let's go back to the dashboard to check. So as you can see, we have one BTC and our balance are reduced. So you can decide to swap more or less. This is the mobile view. As you can see, everything is perfect. So let's check. Let's do international transfer. In case a user wants to send out, let's do wire transfer. So please note this video is for educational purpose only. Please put a random name, a random account number, bank name, bank of words, a random address. So you can choose account type, you can choose country, then SWIFT code, put a random number, IBAN, a random number. Then this transaction pin, go back to your manager side and copy 4-digit transaction pin. You can see our 4-digit transaction pin is 9885. Copy it, go back to the user and paste it. So you can give this user to maybe a client or somebody wants to transfer. You can use that one to bill. So you can see before you make the transfer, confirm everything, then click on confirm. So before you make transfer, you will demand for 3 code. Let's input the IMF code, that is International Monetary Fund code. Copy the IMF code from the manager and paste it. So a user might demand for it, then to contact you as a manager. So as a manager, you can give him the IMF code. So the second code is the SWIFT code. So let's go back to the manager side, copy the SWIFT code, go back to the user and paste it. So the last one will be COT, which is cost of transfer. So COT, do the same, copy the COT code and paste it. So you can decide to use the 3 code or not. So once you put the COT number, the transfer will be processed. As you can see, successful. So the user can decide to print out receipts. You can see this is the transaction receipt. The user can choose to print out the receipt or save it as PDF. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's check our transaction. As you can see, we will have 2 transactions. Our transaction status is pending. So all you need to do is go back to the admin side and approve that transfer. Go to the admin side and locate transfer transaction. Look at the transfer. So you can decide to put it on pending, process, decline, or hold. So let's put it on process. Then admin comment, transfer completed. Then status, update status. As you can see, current status completed. So let's go back to the user side and refresh our page. As you can see, they have turned from pending to processed. So that's how you confirm and make transfer. So the second step, let's apply for virtual card. Let's apply for card. Like I said earlier, we have Visa card, MasterCard, and American Express. So let's put a daily limit of 10,000 and put a billing address. Let's put a random billing address, Sweden. Then click, then apply for card. So once a user apply for card, it will be notified on the admin section. So you have to approve it on the admin section. Go back to the admin section, click on virtual card or card. You will see the card. So you can decide to approve or reject. So for this video, let's approve it. Let's refresh our page. So once we refresh our page, you will now see that our card is now active. So a user can decide to shop with the card or make online payment with the card. You can see you have the CVV. So you can also decide to fund the card using your balance. Let's fund it with $10,000. So our card will be funded with $10,000. So you can decide to fund, you can decide to withdraw from the card. So let's go back to the dashboard. You can see our card is active. So the next step is to check out the save and invest. So this bank gives users where they can invest. So for you to invest, you have to move some part of money from your balance to your investment platform. Click on deposit. Let's say you want to move $50,000 to our investment platform. Click on fund. As you can see, account balance of the investment is now 50,000. So you can decide to choose any option. You can choose secure save or fund. Let's fund $30,000. As you can see, our $50,000 have reduced. So this is the investment platform where users can get return on investments if they lock up their funds. You see. So this fund is locked up in 20 days. In 20 days, we are going to receive a 32% increase. So here is the loan application. So you can apply for a loan. A user can apply for a loan. So let's apply for $1 million. Time duration, let's leave it at 12 months. Then credit facility, let's put salary loans. Purpose of loan for the business. So your monthly income, let's put $100 and above. Click on agree, then submit loan application. So this online bank, you have so many platforms. So you can see this is the IRS tax where a user can submit his or her ID.me, username and password. So once you submit it, you will see the login details here. Please note this video is for educational purpose only, please. Educational purpose only. So this is the user side, this is the loan history. You can see our loan is pending. So let's move on with the settings. So this is where a user can set his or her account settings. So I'll be showing you how to set up the website through the admin. This is where you put the website name, website title, website URL, the bank address, the time zone. You can decide to turn off or turn on your SMS notification. So this is where you put the logo, and this is where you put the favicon. So for the transfer code we did earlier, this is where you set it up. The IMF, SWIFT code, and COT code, this is where you set them up. So the next thing is preference. This is where you put the email. In the case the user want to contact email, this is where you put it. And this is where for that BTC, for user Bitcoin, this is where you put a user Bitcoin address. So you can decide to put your own Bitcoin address in case a user make deposit. So the deposit will come to your Bitcoin wallet. So let's edit this Bitcoin receiving address. Let's see, user BTC wallet address. Click on save. So if you put any wallet here, this is the wallet the user will see as his own wallet. So let's refresh the page and click on receive. Click on receive, you see user BTC wallet address. So you can decide to put your own Bitcoin wallet address there. So let's move on. This is where you set up your email SNTP to automatically send emails to users. This is where you change color of the admin site. So this is where you send emails to any user. You can send emails to all users. You can send email to specific users of the online bank. This is where you IP address. This is where you block. You can block any location, any particular IP from accessing your online bank. This way you blacklist it. This is the dashboard. So this is the front page. This is the front end of the bank. You can see. This is the front end. Everything is futuristic, and this website is very responsive. This is the live chat section. So let's operate the live chat. I want to make a deposit. Let's imagine a user is in your bank on the site and you want to chat with you. Input name, rich boy. Okay. So you'll be notified on your live chat section. So you can decide to reply the user. And if you need this particular website or you need the script, I will leave a link below where you can contact us and get the script. Or if you want us to build you this particular website, you can also get in touch with us. We can build it for you. Okay. So that's the live chat section. So if you have any question, just comment below and do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.